Hello y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be unboxing the iPhone 15. I had to cut this part out because the box shows my address. Thank you. Is the cute ass box that came in. And I just went to Walmart and I bought this case. You already know. So yes. This pull tab right here, right? And we are going to pull it. Yes, like such. And then you lift, I guess it, oh no, it opens like this. And this is the phone. The box is giving what's supposed to been gave. And yes, everything is real good. So yes, let's open the box. All right, y'all, so this is the box that it comes in. I got the natural titanium. And what I'm going to do is just simply pull right there, flip it over, and we are just going to wobble this shit open. Oh damn, there's another pull tab. My bad. Wobble it all open, and boom. It is a very pretty color, and it comes like this. And of course, here is the cable. It is braided, double-ended. Excuse my crusty fingernails, but yes, it comes with the instructions, and it says, "This you no longer need a physical SIM card, and designed by Apple in California." So what I'm going to do is I am going to put a screen protector on this while it is still fresh, and then I'm going to check back in and set it up, and then I'm going to show you guys what apps I have on my iPhone. So alright y'all, so I went ahead and I put a screen protector and a case on, and then I saw that it had these cute little camera covers, so they went on. Yes, and maybe it is a little lopsided, but I'll try to fix it, you know? Alright, so we're going to do the setup process, and then after that, I will show you what apps I use on my phone. Please do not mind my fingers, I burnt them, and all that. They look really bad, so. Alright, so we're going to do English, United States, medium or large? No. I'm gonna do default. But that is different. Okay, quick start. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to bring your current, I'm gonna set it up without another device just because I want this phone to be brand new. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's gonna do this.
Oh right, and then it may take a few minutes to activate this.
That is my phone number. Confirm it. Alright, alright y'all, so it went through and now it is activating the eSIM and connecting to cellular network. This may take a few minutes, but I'm just like excited for this phone. You know, it is the natural titanium. It is really cute, you know, and this is the port that they changed to USB-C, and yes, my blister is real bad, but it is I'm gonna come back when this is done. All right, y'all, so we are gonna set up the iPhone, and it says set up for myself, which I'll do. Face ID, continue. I'm gonna position my shit in the frame. Okay, Face ID is now set up. Create a passcode. Let me see. All right, so we set it up. Transfer your data and apps. I'm gonna not transfer anything. and then I'm gonna complete this. So currently it is signing me in, and I'm covering my name and all that. It's doing this cute little like bullshit wheel and everything, and yeah, you can see my picture is Nicki Minaj. Bitches will be forever mad. So, and yes, it is just gonna do this for a hot second, but I do think it is pretty cute. So it's doing its bullshit, and it's just making me like individually add all these motherfucking cards, and yes, share audio recordings. No, honey, we're not doing all that. Screen time, sure. Analytics, sure. Light or dark display. I think I'm gonna do light. I'm sorry, y'all. I always do light. So silent mode, you can toggle silent mode. Bet. And then it's gonna do this with the action button. So you can customize it and do silent mode, camera, focus, flashlight, magnifier, voice memo, shortcut, accessibility. So I'm like, what do I want to pick? I'm thinking I'm going to pick, I use do not disturb a lot, so I'm thinking that one, but you can also use a shortcut. So it's like, all right, let's figure out what the shortcut is. You can do set a timer, music recognition, remote, yeah, I'm not really feeling that, so I'm just gonna set it up for this one. Emergency SOS, yes. And yes, so we swipe it open, this is what we get, and I'm about to show you guys all the apps once I set it up. Alright, you guys, so this part of the video is going to be what is on my iPhone 15. You know, I have the natural titanium, and yes. So the wallpaper is this really cute, like, clocks and like all these people. I thought it was like kind of cute, giving retro vibes. So I'm gonna show you guys my widgets and all that. Basically, we have the basic ass apps, you know, camera, FaceTime, mail, that all are on the iPhone, you know. And then this is the first app that I downloaded. It is called YouTube Studio, and this app is really good for, like, if you make YouTube videos, you can check out all of the different analytics and all that. So the next app is different. It is included on here. It is called Freeform, and it's kind of cute because you can add just like a bunch of different stuff. It's like notes, but it's like very smart, you know what I'm saying, like all that. So I do like this app. It's giving what's supposed to be gave, so yes. Next, we have iMovie, and this is an app that I use to, like, you know, very much edit my videos and everything, just because I don't have Final Cut Pro yet or any of that type of app. And then over here is utilities, and this is where I just keep all the basic bullshit ass Apple apps. And then over here, we're going to start in getting into folders, because this is where I try to keep all my apps on one page, just because I like the look of that. So this folder is the money folder, and you know, it might be like some, you know, I have my Cash App in there. I have my Gmail because I really use this Gmail for like, just like, you know, like loans, this, that, the third, bank statements and everything. It goes in there. And this is Dasher, and this is a great way to make extra money. You can go on there. I don't have it set up yet, but it's a good app. Next, we have Indeed, where you can look for jobs and all that type of thing. And Wallet, which, you know, it's where I just keep all my cards. It's for Apple Pay. I really like Apple Pay. Next, moving on, we are going to this folder. This is my social folder, you know, Instagram, Messenger, Snapchat, Facebook, and I'm just not about to show you guys any of my socials just because I will show you my Twitter though. If you guys want to follow my Twitter, I have it on airplane mode, but it is Tobacco Baby. So yes, there. And then we have YouTube, Reddit, Pinterest. I really like Pinterest. I think it is just like a wonderful app, and it's not connected to the internet, but you know what I mean. My feed is really pretty and all of that. So I use Reddit just for like piercing, like inspiration. If I decide I like a piercing or want to see it on somebody, I just scroll through the piercing subreddit, and it's really nice. You can really find a community on here for anything that is interesting to you. Next, I go over here. This is where I shop. I do get a lot of things from Shein, but I think that's about to be dead, so you know, I'm gonna delete the app just because it's like you cannot resell Shein stuff that easily, and I like to shop on this other app. It is called ASOS, ASOS, and I feel like they have really nice things, and it's nice quality and everything, so I'm gonna download that after this. And okay, we have my eBay, my Amazon, Lush. I like Lush. It is where they have homemade products such as like bars of soap, and this body scrub and all that. If you guys want to see a video on that, it is coming. And then Fragrance Net. It is a really good app where you can get fragrances that are marked down and they are 100% legit. Moving on, we have PixArt, Face App, and Re-Ink Stone. This is for a case that I bought, and it was supposed to be like a very cool case, and I was going to show it to you guys in this video, but it ended up not working, so we're going to have to figure that out. And then I got Face App. This is like an amazing app. It's a lot better than Facetune. It does everything you need it to do. It can like really get your pictures up. So yes. And like I really have to re-download it because I do have Pro, and Pro is only $8 a month, and it just gives you all the features, and it makes you look really good. Like y'all would not be able to tell that your shit is retouched. And I named this folder Camera This in the Shot just because it's like retouching my pictures. I'm very big into plastic surgery. I want to get a bunch of plastic surgery. Next in this folder, we have the Watch app from my Apple Watch. This is like the health type of section. And then Reconnect Community. This is a probation app where every day I have to use it and see if I have to get drug tested that day. And next we got CoStar. I really love CoStar. It is an astrology app with daily horoscopes, and it just tells you what like your friends are up to and all of that. For me, it says I am full of secrets. So yes. Next, we have the 6-Pack in 30 Days app. This app is pretty nice. I have not been on track with it lately, but I'm going to get back into that. And then we have Eufy Life. It is a Bluetooth scale that you stand on, and it tells you all your stats, such as bone mass and BMI and everything. And I love the health app. Now, especially with your Apple Watch, yes, it says I was asleep 3 hours. That is bullshit. So we're just gonna have to fix that up. It just says that because I woke up at 7 a.m., but it's probably more than that. Alright, y'all, and then we have The Sims. I have not played it much, so I don't understand what to say about it, but this is called Candy Island. This game is super old, and I love it because you just build these factories, you collect all the candies. It's pretty cute, and You can use the candies to sell them to make money, or you can go on these quests to earn what you need to earn. Currently, I am on the Pony Monument, so I'm going to get 2 of those. And yes, I'm almost to winning that. So I really love this game. It's really cute. It's everything. And then we have Google Home. This is just for my Google speaker that I have, all that. And the widgets that I use are like this. It's still not fully adjusted to where I live, which is fine because I don't need to show you all that. There's my Facebook notifications, my Cash App balance, and this is like my Apple Watch and my phone battery. Then moving on, I have these widgets, which tells me my co-star horoscope for the day. I am full of secrets. Okay, bitch, that's fine. And then my Cash App balance, which is kind of sad. And then the mails. So yeah, it's a smart stack, so it just flips through what you need it to flip through. Obviously it's not gonna flip through it right now. Well, smart stack, my bad. So it just tells you everything you need. But yeah, thank you for watching.